As Zimbabwe's recently revived Harare-London route has suffered a second disruption in less than a week after the national carrier postponed a scheduled service due to what it described as an operational disruption. Nzanabana mashikubdanyi kwachinzi full start as Air Zimbabwe's London flight delayed again. Subscribe the airline announced on Sunday that the flight UM724, which was due to depart Harare for London Gateway, he will now leave on August 3 at 8:30. The return service flight UM725 has also been rescheduled and will depart Gatwick on August 4 before arriving in Harare later that day. No further details were provided regarding the nature of the disruption. The latest postponement comes only days after the Air Zimbabwe cancelled another London-bound flight when the pilot assigned to the service reportedly fell ill, forcing the airline to delay travel plans for passengers on the route. The two incidences occurred within weeks of the airline's return to the London market, one of its most strategically important international destinations, as Zimbabwe resumed direct flights between Harare and London on July 22, ending a 14-year absence from the route and marking a significant step in its efforts to rebuild its long-haul operations. The service is being operated using a wet-leased Airbus A330 sourced from a Spanish carrier, the same aircraft involved in the recent disruptions. While airlines often experience operational challenges when launching or reinstating services, the back-to-back setbacks have drawn attention to the reliability of the route during its formative weeks. The London route is regarded as a key link for Zimbabweans traveling for business, education, tourism, and family commitments, while also serving as a critical component of Zimbabwe's broader strategy to re-establish itself in international markets. Industry observers say consistency and reliability will be crucial if the carrier is to regain passenger confidence and successfully compete on the route. Any prolonged disruptions could undermine the momentum generated by the much publicized relaunch. Toba developments are pangwa ine. Recompense chepedutsa fungura enu kuti udiye pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe, like, chitonga biwa icon.